So this is how you can fix contacts not showing on WhatsApp. Let's go ahead and open up WhatsApp, and as you can see, I have no contacts right here. It might show you a different text, or it might be just a blank page, but I'll teach you how to fix it either way. The first method I have for you is going back to our control panel, turning off the Wi-Fi, and then turning airplane mode on. After a while, you're going to want to turn it back off, maybe like 5 minutes, and see if this works. If this doesn't work, you can go ahead and try turning on the mobile data and open up WhatsApp. But basically, what you're going to want to do most, or what is the most effective, is going to our settings app and then go to general. Once you're here, you're going to want to go to iPhone storage and simply scroll down until you can find WhatsApp. So open that up and then simply tap on offload app. This will free up any storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So basically, what this does is resets WhatsApp and gets rid of any kind of viruses that may be causing this problem. So all you're gonna have to do is tap on offload app and then reinstall it back again. And yeah, that is how you can fix the contacts not showing problem. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.